So all of you open your book in chapter number, it is mensuration. You can see here in mensuration triangles I have done. Chapter 16. So today I will begin circle. It's clear. So open page 367. Page 367. You can see here, first we will see the formulae of the area of circumference and formulae of circumference and area of circle. So see here. You can see here this type of figure, plane figure is known as circle. This is the center of the circle. And this is called the radius. This is called radius. This diagram, this plane figure is called the circle. Now see here. This boundary of the circle is called the circumference. It is the circumference. This is center. Now see here, if you join center to any point of circumference, center को circumference के किसी भी point से मिलाएं, this line, it's clear? This line, all are radii, सभी क्या है radius. Radius क्या है? It is a line segment joining center and any point on the circumference. Line segment joining center and any point on the circumference. That is called the radius, which we denote by small r. Now you can see this is the diameter. It's clear. What is diameter? You can see any line segment joining two points on the circumference and passing through center. Any line segment joining two points on the circumference and passing through center is called diameter. This is the diameter. This is also called the diameter. Circumference के किन्हीं भी दो पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन करें और अगर वो सेंटर से पास हो रहा है, then that is called the diameter. It's clear. Whether can this is a diameter? So no. It is joining two points on the circumference, but do not pass through center O. Therefore, it is not a diameter. It's clear. This one is diameter. Diameter denoted by symbol. Denoted by symbol D. Now, what is the relation between diameter and radius? Diameter is 2 times of radius. It's clear. So the very first formula is area of circle. Area of circle. So it is pi r square. What is the value of pi? If the value of pi is not given in the question, then we will take 22/7. But sometimes its value is given in the decimal. So it is in decimal, it is 3.14 or 3.142 as given in the question. जैसे क्वेश्चन में दिया हो वो वैल्यू हम यूज करेंगे. So this is the formula of the area of the circle. Then circumference. There is one more formula. What will be the length of circumference? इसकी length कितनी होगी? Which we call as the boundary of the circle. It's clear. What is the total length of the boundary of the circle? It's clear. So it is circumference. It is given by 2 pi r. It's clear. Circumference equals to 2 pi into r. Now, if there is any circular wheel like this, then what will be the distance covered by circular wheel in one rotation? Distance covered by circular wheel in one rotation, how much distance will be covered by circular wheel in one rotation? So it will be equal to circumference. That is 2 pi r. मतलब सर्कुलर व्हील वन रोटेशन में कितनी डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल करेगी रोड पर? सो इट विल बी इक्वल टू 2 pi r. It's clear? So these are two formulae of circle. It's clear? After this we will see semicircle. What is semicircle? So you can see here, this is the circle whose center is this point. Now as we know that this line, this is known as diameter. Just now I have told it is diameter. Diameter divides the circle into two equal parts. Each part is called the semicircle. Means this is a semicircle. This part is called a semicircle. Similarly, here this also is also the semicircle. So if you make the semicircle here, you can see. So in the semicircle, what will you say? This is what? This is the, as you have seen, this is the diameter. So here it is the diameter.
Diameter.
Diameter, yes. It is diameter. What will you say this thing? ये क्या है? Circumference का आधा है. This is half of the circumference. And half of the circumference, what will you call this? This is the semi-circumference. Semi का मतलब half. Semi-circumference. It's clear? This will be the semi-circumference. What will be the length of this red part? Who can tell? Length of this part. It will be equal to semi-circumference. मतलब circumference का half. Circumference कितना था? 2 pi r. उसका half कितना हो जाएगा? Pi r. So it will be pi r. It's clear? This is diameter, therefore it will be 2r. So what will you say about the perimeter of semicircular plate? What will be the perimeter of semicircle? Perimeter. Perimeter means total length of the boundary. Perimeter of semicircle. It is equal to pi r plus 2r. This is the perimeter of semicircle. What is the area of semicircle? Area of semicircle. So it is half of circle because it is 1/2 part of the circle. 1/2 part of the circle means it will be pi r square upon 2. Pi r square upon 2. It's clear? So this is the semicircle. Then quarter circle or quadrant. Quarter circle. You can see here. This is a circle whose center is this. Its one diameter is this. And its another diameter is, you can see here. This is the another diameter, which is perpendicular to early. Both the diameters are perpendicular. So in the circle, two perpendicular diameters divide the circle into 4 equal parts. Two perpendicular diameters divide the circle into 4 equal parts. Divide the circle into 4 equal parts. Each part is called quarter circle. J quarter circle or quadrant. हर एक पार्ट क्या है, मतलब हमने एक क्वार्टर सर्किल को सेट किया है, ये क्वार्टर सर्किल. इट्स क्लियर. नाउ सिंस दीज आर डायमीटर, सो दिस पॉइंट विल बी द सेंटर. और ये सेंटर है, तो बताओ व्हाट विल बी दिस डिस्टेंस. दिस डिस्टेंस विल बी इक्वल टू रेडियस. ये डिस्टेंस भी क्या होगी, रेडियस. तो अगर हम क्वार्टर सर्किल को अलग बनाएं, यहां पर हमने क्वार्टर सर्किल को अलग बना लिया. इट्स क्लियर. This is a quarter circle. So all of you remember one thing, that in the quarter circle, this is the center. This angle will be 90 degree. This will be equal to radius. This will be equal to radius. Now what will be this length? ये लेंथ कितनी होगी जिसको हम ये ट्रेस कर रहे हैं, ये लेंथ कितनी होगी. तो देख लो, तुमको पूरा मालूम है कितना है. होल इज 2 पाई आर. होल इज 2 पाई आर. एंड दिस पार्ट इज ओनली 1/4 ऑफ द होल. दिस पार्ट इज ओनली 1/4 ऑफ द होल. So 2 pi r upon 4 means it will be pi r upon 2. It will be pi r upon 2. Means what will be the length? This length pi r upon 2. So what will be the perimeter? You can see perimeter of quadrant or quarter circle. So pi r upon 2 plus r plus r. It is pi r upon 2 plus r plus r. That is pi r upon 2 plus 2r. This is the perimeter. All of you must remember that in the quadrant, these are two bounding radii. Bounding radii, which are perpendicular to each other. These are two bounding radii जिनके बीच का एंगल क्या है, 90. It's clear. Now what will be the area? So as you know that this is the 1/4 part of circle. 1/4 part of circle. So what will be the area? Area of quarter circle. Area of quarter circle. It will be pi r square upon 4. Pi r square upon 4. Now, not pi r square upon 2, it is pi r square upon 4. Why? Because it is 1/4 part. 4 पार्ट में एक पार्ट शेडेड है. So it is pi r square upon 4. Semi circle, it is pi r square upon 2. यहां पर 2 पार्ट्स में एक पार्ट शेडेड है. So it will be 1/2 of area of circle. Area of circle का 1/2. That is pi r square upon 2. So this you remember. Then after this, I am going to tell you about the circular ring. Circular ring. So circular ring consists two concentric circles. Consists two concentric circles. Now what do you mean by concentric circles? Circles with same center. Circles with same center, but different radii. Circles having same center but different radii. Now you can see here, this is one circle and this is the another circle. This is small r and this is the capital R. So this shaded part, circular ring, will be like this. Here there will be nothing. It is clear. This is the circular ring. What will be the area enclosed by a circular ring? Area of circular ring. Area of circular ring. So all of you remember, bigger area ka circle minus smaller area ka circle. That is pi capital R square minus pi small r square. Area of bigger circle minus area of smaller circle. This is the area of circular ring. It's clear. So all these are the formulae. Now we will do the questions. So you can see here. Open your book, page 378, exercise 16.3. Exercise 16.3. You can see here.
Sir, please repeat area of circular ring.
Area of circular ring. So see here. Circular ring is consisting two concentric circles. What is the meaning of two concentric circles? Circles with same center but different radius. उनका सेंटर तो सेम है. इस सर्किल का भी सेंटर यही है O और इस वाले सर्किल का भी सेंटर O है. बट रेडियस इसका ये स्मॉल r है और ये क्या है, कैपिटल R. तो ये रीजन क्या कहलाता है? दिस इज कॉल्ड द सर्कुलर रिंग. इट इज कॉल्ड सर्कुलर रिंग. दिस रीजन इज कॉल्ड द सर्कुलर रिंग. अब अगर इसका एरिया निकालना हो तो क्या करेंगे? आउटर सर्किल का एरिया माइनस इनर सर्किल का एरिया, बिकॉज ओनली दिस मच पार्ट इज रिंग. सो पाई कैपिटल R स्क्वायर माइनस पाई स्मॉल r. Now whether it is clear, you can write in this way also. Capital R square.
Okay, it's clear. Thank you, sir.
Tell loudly whether it is clear.
Yes, sir, it is clear. Thank you.
Now exercise 16.3. So you see the question number 7A up to question number 6 all are based on the formulae. So you see the question number 7A. 7A and 7B both are of same type. In the figure, first given below, AC and BD are two perpendicular diameters. These are two perpendicular diameters, AC and BD. Therefore, this will be center, क्योंकि perpendicular diameters कहाँ कट करते हैं? Center पर. Of a circle, given that the area of shaded portion, how much area is shaded? This one is shaded and this is shaded. Now see here. Here, as we know that two perpendicular diameters divide the circle into 4 equal parts, and each part is known as quarter circle. You can see here. Each part is a quarter circle. ये quarter circle, ये quarter circle, ये quarter circle, ये quarter circle. हर एक पार्ट का एरिया कितना होता है? पाई r स्क्वायर अपॉन 4. क्यों? क्योंकि टोटल एरिया है पाई r स्क्वायर. तो एक पार्ट का एरिया पाई r स्क्वायर अपॉन 4. This thing is clear. So see here. Here it is given that the shaded portion, its area is given 308 centimeter square. Calculate the length AC. AC means diameter. Diameter means 2r. तो देख लो क्वेश्चंस करने का तरीका क्या है. जिस चीज को दिया है उस चीज को हम देखेंगे कि फार्मूले के टर्म्स में क्या है। अगर इसी को फार्मूले के टर्म्स में लिखते तो क्या हो जाता, शेडेड एरिया विल बी एरिया ऑफ 2 quarter circles, area of 2 quarter circles. What is the area of 1 quarter circle? Who can tell? It is pi r square upon 4. एक का एरिया पाई आर स्क्वायर अपॉन 4, सो 2 का एरिया 2 into pi r square upon 4, so it will be cancelled, that is pi r square upon 2. Now you substitute the value, 1 upon 2 pi is 22 upon 7, r is, what is r? It is not given to you, so r square, so it will be 11 r square upon 7. But according to question, it is equal to, according to question, 11 r square upon 7 equals to 308. So simplify 308 into 7 upon 11. 11 1 ja, 11 2 ja 22, 11 8. That is 20 to 10. So what is r? You take the square root. So you make the pair, it is 7 into 2 into 2. 7 2 ja 28, 28. 7 2 ja 14, 14 2 ja 28. And then this 7. इस 28 को हमने स्प्लिट करके क्या लिख दिया, 7 into 2 into 2. अब देख लो 7 का पेयर बन गया तो 7 बाहर आ गया, 2 का पेयर बन गया 2 बाहर आ गया, that is equal to 14 centimeter. But now you have to determine the length of AC. So you can see here what will be AC here. AC equals to 2R, क्योंकि AC diameter, so it will be 2R. So you can see here already you have determined R is how much, 14 centimeter. So it will be 2 into 14, 28 centimeter. Then you have to find circumference. It is equal to 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is 14. So when you will simplify, 7 2 ja 14, 22 into 4, 88 centimeter. 88 centimeter. It's clear? Now, after this, we will do the 7th B. It is also of same type. Now you can see here in the figure second given below, AC and BD are two perpendicular diameters of the circle. This is AC and this is BD. Are two perpendicular diameters, and perpendicular diameters always intersect at the center. परपेंडिकुलर डायमीटर्स हरदम कहां से कट करते हैं, सेंटर पर, तो ओ क्या हो जाएगा, सेंटर. Here already given in the question is center. AC is given 16 centimeter. Now what is AC here? It is diameter. Diameter means 2 into R. So 2 into R equals to 16 centimeter. So what will be R? 8 centimeter. Calculate the area and perimeter of shaded portion. So see here, shaded area. So in the same as previous question, you can see here how many two perpendicular diameters divide the circle into 4 equal parts. Each part is called as quarter circle. Each part is a quadrant. मतलब ये एक क्वाड्रांट है, ये भी क्वाड्रांट है, ये भी क्वाड्रांट है, ये भी क्वाड्रांट. How many quadrants are shaded? So 2 quadrants are shaded. तो 2 का एरिया क्या हो जाएगा? एक का एरिया होता पाई आर स्क्वायर अपॉन 4, तो 2 का एरिया मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2, that is pi r square upon 2. So you substitute the value, but now in the question value of pi is given. So 1 upon 2 into 3.14 into 8 into 8. R square means 8 into 8. So 2 4 ja. So it will be equal to into 32. So it is 100.48 centimeter square because it is area. It's clear. Now see here. After this, you have to find the perimeter of shaded portion. So what is the meaning of perimeter? Means total length of boundary. Shaded portion की boundary. तो देख लो, बाउंड्री वो होगी जो शेडेड पोर्शन को टच करे. तो बाउंड्री का एक पार्ट तो ये हो गया. इट्स क्लियर. व्हाट विल बी द लेंथ ऑफ दिस पार्ट? इट इज 1/4 ऑफ होल सर्कमफ्रेंस. इतना क्या है? ए से डी तक की डिस्टेंस क्या है? पूरे सर्कमफ्रेंस का 1/4 है. मींस 2 पाई आर अपॉन 4. देन this is also touching to the shaded portion. So this is also 2 pi r upon 4. Then this line is also touching to the shaded portion. ये shaded portion को touch कर रही है. What will be its length? 2r. And this is also touching to the shaded portion. So this is 2r. So what will be perimeter? You can write here. Perimeter will be equal to AC plus BD plus 2 times of 2 pi r upon 4. 2 times of 2 pi r upon 4. It's clear? So it will be equal to 2r plus 2r plus this will be cancelled. 2 into 2. This is cancelled. So pi r. So it is 4r plus pi r. So you substitute 4 into 8. Pi is 3.14 into 8. So it will be equal to 32 plus 25.12. So when you will calculate, it will be 527,325. 0.12 centimeter. It's clear? This is the answer. Then you can see question number 11. Question number 11. In the figure first given below, the area enclosed between the concentric circles. These are the 2 concentric circles. And this area is given 770 centimeter square. Given that the radius of outer circle. Now, when there are 2 circles, then their radii we will represent by different symbols. So, radius of outer circle is 21, means capital R equals to 21 centimeter. outer circle का radius 21. See here, this is the center, this will be the 21. It's clear? This length will be equal to 21. Calculate the radius of inner circle, means small r you have to calculate, means you have to determine this length. It's clear? Now, what is the formula of this shaded area? So, shaded area is a circular ring. Shaded area is a circular ring. हमने ऑलरेडी बताया है, जो चीज गिवन होती है उसको फार्मूले के टर्म्स में देखते हैं. इन टर्म्स ऑफ फार्मूला वो क्या है? सो देयरफॉर शेडेड एरिया equals to area of circular ring. What will be area of circular ring? Pi capital R square minus small r square. But according to question it is 770. ये वैल्यू 770 के बराबर है. So you can put substitute 22 upon 7 capital R is 21 square minus small r equals to 770. So it is 441 minus r square equals to 770 into 7 upon 22. 11 2 ja 11 7 ja. It is clear? So it is equals to 35. So 441 minus r square equals to 245. So what will be r square? 41 minus 245. So perhaps it is 196. Yes, it is 196. 441 minus 225. 245. 196, not minus. When you take r square in this side, it will become plus 245 in that side. So what will be r square root of 196? 196, that is 14 centimeter. 96 का square root 14. It will be, it is correct. Because when you take in that side, it will be 441, 245 को LHS में ले आए. Equals to r square. It's clear? So it is this. Now see here, question number 11th B, just I will explain. It is based on the same diagram. Question 11B. Now see here, in the given figure, area includes between the circumference of two concentric circles is this. Means area is given 346.5. This area is given this 346.5 centimeter square. This you can write as pi capital R square minus small r square. What is capital R? Capital R is the radius of outer circle. What is small r? It is the radius of inner circle. This. It's clear. Now circumference of inner circle. Inner circle का circumference कितना दिया? Circumference of inner circle. So see here, what will be the formula of circumference of inner circle? 2 pi into small r. It is given how much? 88. So from here you will get the value of small r. Question में तुमको capital R find out करना है. So what will you do? First you solve this and get the value of small r. Into small r equals to 88. So small r equals to 88 into 7 upon 40. That is 14 centimeter. Now you substitute here. When you will substitute here, what will you get? Capital R square minus small r square equals to 346.5. So I am substituting it 22 upon 7, capital R square minus small r square 14. So it is 346.5. When you will take this thing 22 upon 7 in the other side, ये क्या हो जाएगा? रेसिप्रोकेट होके मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. It will reciprocate and multiply. So 346.5 into 7 upon 22. So when you will simplify, it will be 11 2 ja 22, 11 3 ja 33, 1, 11 1 ja 11, 5, 31.5. Now after 31.5 into 7, it is 220.5 divided by 2. So it will be equal to 110.25. So you can see here, capital R square minus 196, 10.25. So what is capital R square? 196 plus 110.25. So it will be equal to 6, 9, 1, 10, 1, 306.25. So what will be R? R will be the square root of this. So that you can find by division method, 306.25. You make the pair, decimal से start होंगे, इधर 6 का, इधर 3 का, इधर 2. Now see here, 1 1 ja 1. This is 2 0 6. Now this 2, then it will go how many times? Perhaps 7 times it will go. So 7 7 ja 49, 4 7 2 ja 14 and 4 18. So it will be equal to 11 17. Here you add 7. So it will be equals to 34. Now you take 25 here. So it will go how many times? 5 times. So 17 25. When you will multiply 5 with 345, it will be this. So square root will be 17.5 centimeters. So this is the radius of outer circle. So tomorrow we will do some more questions in this exercise. Today I am in day.